So the experiences I get out of making a cake is peace. There's a calmness that comes over me when I start baking a cake. And I find myself humming like my grandmother. My grandmother was always a hummer. She always hummed. I don't care what she did. She was always humming. And when I make my pound cakes, it's like I have such peace. And then when I translate that peace, or I transform that peace into my pound cakes. So it gives me ideas on how, what I want to do with the pound cake. But when I'm cooking my pound cake, I'm at peace. And then after I finish my pound cake, I just say a prayer of it, But when I'm cooking it, it just reminds me all the time of my grandmother and the humming, when she was in the kitchen cooking. Yeah.
Don't just keep looking. Come on, order yours now and get you some.